Hello boys and girls, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fine. Welcome to another episode of One Man and His Boat. Now yes, I look rough around the edges, I've had a hellish 48 hours. If you want to know why, keep watching. So over the last 48 hours, I've been doing nothing but paper chasing and trying to keep the government types happy, and you know how much I love the government types. They make me feel full of joy and really love to empty my bank account. Well done, government. Anyway, long story, but the point of it is, I was due a second inspection, which I didn't know about because of the style of deck I'm having. And basically I chased that up the week before last and got the ball rolling rather rapidly. Now, Seafish have been brilliant. They have trying to speed things through quickly for me. However, there was a hidden extra cost, which is when you've spent a year not at sea earning any money, cost us everything now, and I honestly don't know what I'm going to be doing. Bank accounts a bit, but we'll see what we can do. Anyway, all I've been doing is filling out application forms, doing drawings, doing measurements, and it all gets processed at Seafish. However, after I've done all this, my result will be at least a minimum of up to 20 days. 20 days, I'm not allowed to touch that deck. So yes, Seafish have governed it. I better not actually proceed any further with the deck, because if there's any changes that I need to make, and I mean they'll even take these videos as proof that how well she's been built. Now, she's getting built like a towboat, not like a creel boat. So I don't see why I should be stopping, but it'll pay off in the long run. I do understand why they're saying stop. But obviously I was getting on good, the weather's been fantastic. I mean, time's money at this game, especially fishing. But once again, you've got high fluting ones in high positions with an education, and they've no understanding how the little men work. Now we need a weekly income, we need to pay bills, we need to keep a roof above our heads, we need to put food in the family's bellies. But that just doesn't seem to think, because they've got the paperwork to fill out. Now, I know it sounds like I'm having a rant, and basically I am. Trust me, this is me calming down. But it's absolutely BS. And I had a good friend say a good quote to us yesterday. He says, for government types, bullshit baffles brains. And there's not a truer word, I can assure you that, guys. And I'm quite sure with the comments that I've had in my comment section on these videos, a lot of you guys are feeling exactly the same way. But you know, they like to make themselves feel very important. Yes, I'm in charge of blah blah blah, and yes, I make up with these ridiculous regulations so men can't go to sea. Start frickin' helping, you muppets. Yeah, I'm starting to rant now. I really am starting to rant. Right, we'll cut it there. We've got plenty of other jobs to do, so we'll get on with that, shall we? So guys, I'm going to actually start off by showing you what I've been waiting on. I've not been able to crack on with the boat because I've been waiting on all these bad boys turning up. I kind of never done my calculations right, so I ran a wee bit short. So we've got our stainless steel washers, our stainless steel nuts to finish the beams off. We've got lovely cable coverings to cover the cables that are exposed. I want to try and keep, especially the ones near the engine, I want to try and keep the heat away from them, so if I wrap them up quite nice, everything should be hunky-dory. And last but not least, steering hose. Now you're not going to believe this, I nearly done the whole boat apart from 1 metre. That's all I need to do to this big pile. That big pile was £80 and all I need is 1 metre out of it. It is what it is, guys, it is what it is. Right, let's hash on. And that's how one man in his boat fits a big beam to a small boat, Seafish. Yes, Barry has a bee in his bonnet, but quite rightly so, especially after spending another £283.20 on an inspection I didn't know I was meant to have, but the boat builders did. I'll leave you to work that one out for yourself. Right guys, I'm going to hash on and get the rest of these beams in. I'm going to leave you now so I can get on with it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Do the usual guys, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, please give it a thumbs up and set that notification bell on YouTube will make you feel special. Right my friends, all the best until the next episode.